Harley Davidson Motorcycles. We got the mini RPM free games. We are awarded with 27 free games. Bonus multiplier is 1 times. Our bet is $2. Let's play. Alright, we got the black Harley. Oh, $1.50. Ooh, even more for $2.25. Oh, this looks good as we get Jack 4 across, 9 3 across, and Hog 3 across, $10. That was game 427. We got Hogs, $5.50. Game 8 gets us $1. We've crossed $20 mark. 50 cents added. Ooh, 5 across on these hogs. How many times? I don't know, but that's $15. There's blue bikes for $6.75. Here comes the game 13. It's lucky. That's $3.25 as we cross $45.75. Oh, this is a. Oh my God! That's okay. Well, we got 3 across on the black bikes, and we got Jacks 2. Oh, that's $7. And we're at $52.75. Oh, that's a nice win. $6 as we cross, as we're over halfway there, just over halfway. And we're game 16 of 27. Pays us $1. Just under 60 at the moment. Game 18. How about game 20? Blue bikes, yes. They will pay, 3 across, pays us $5.50. Come on, 21. 4 across on these bikes, black bikes. Harleys give us $10. Oh, 4 across on Harleys, $60 this time. 27. We ain't stopped yet. These Harleys 3 across will pay us $5.50. We got 4 games to go. At $86.75. Well, I'll pay the 75 cents on some 10s. 2 games. Oh, all wild on the first reel, but nothing to go with it. But this time there is something to go with it. 5 across on the black bikes. Harleys will get us $5.50 on our last game.
Free games are always a good time.
Oh, that is so nice. $93. That is truly a big win. I agree.
Congratulations. That is one fantastic win.
Yeah, it is. I sure do appreciate it, Samstown and Harley Davidson.